Hi there and welcome to Wiring. My name is Jan Nel and today I'm going to show you how to add a template to your Joomla 2.5 website using software called Artisteer. It's very simple and easy. In front of me I've got open installation of Joomla 2.5, just a tutorial site, and at the back I've got the back end open and I'm logged in already. Okay, so if I go over to the Artisteer software, when you open a new project, there is a list of templates that really is default templates that you can use and adapt to your own specific needs. I'm just going to click on one here. Okay, so open up in front of me is a template, an Artisteer template that is available for you to use and to customize according to your own special needs. I'm not going to go into very much details, but you can, for example, play around with the colors and the fonts here, where you can change the color theme to a different color, or you can just click on suggest colors, and as you can see, the colors is changed as you click on it to customize it a little bit. You can also play around with the header, and I mean, if you don't like that guy, you can add another one, or maybe add a photo that you have on your hard drive that you can edit in editor. You can add flash, which I don't think is there's not a lot of options there, but you could perhaps create flash images yourself and upload it. You can play around with the menu, with the blocks here on the side. Controls, you can add buttons and input types. The software is really all around good for a person that is, I think that the purpose of this is to save a lot of designing time. It saves you like hours and hours of development and styling, etc. All that time is saved by just using this software. You can even choose different layouts. If, for example, you don't want a header, you can just have the basic layout which does not have a header, or you might want your menu to be on top of your header, and you can play around with the design layout in such a way that best suits your website and the nature of your website. Things like sheet width, you can choose either fluid or fixed in terms of pixels. Just a whole bunch of things that you could do with this software. Add some widgets. Surely there's a marketplace where you can get a lot more. And yeah, once you are done with the actual design of your website template, you can just export it to Joomla. Be sure to give your template a name. I mean, I'm just going to leave it there as it is. Be sure to select the version of Joomla that you're currently running. Unfortunately, this has not been updated yet to accommodate Joomla version 3.1, but version 2.5 is supported. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it as that, give it a name, tutorial, and then I'm going to export it to I'm going to select the path to my WAMP server where I've got my installation already installed, and I'm going to export it to templates, and I'm going to click on OK. I just might want to change this name to test, and I'm going to select to have it exported as a zip archive, and then you could play around with the export options. I mean, if you have CSS prefixes that you want to change, or extra styles that you want to add in here, that is a place that you can do it. You can also give the template a description, your name, URL, any tags, and so on and so forth. You can also add a footnote back to the CMS and Artisteer, which I usually not do, but you surely can if you'd like. and a backward link to the author that you can select or not select. I'm just going to accept the defaults and click on export. Now, so artisteer should now have exported. Okay, so I'm in my WAMP directory, and if you go into, I've got a tutorial. This is the actual Joomla website files, and if you go and you look inside templates, you will see there is the test template exported by artisteer. So that's fine, you can just leave it there. I just wanted to show you where I exported it out to. And if you go back to your back end and just want to see if my session is still active. Okay. So if you open up your back end, go to template manager, you won't see it here being displayed yet. First we have to install the template by browsing for the package file, which is in your tutorial templates. As I've previously just shown you, you can just click on the zip file there and click on upload and install. So Joomla is coming back saying that the installation template was successful. So if we go back to our control panel now and move towards template manager, you will now see that test is in fact displayed here. Now it is not set as the default. As I showed you earlier, this was the default template and it's pretty basic. I'm just going to set it as default by checking the checkbox and clicking on make default. Joomla comes back by saying the default style successfully set. If we go back to the home page now and just click on refresh, you will see that the template is successfully installed if after you have clicked on refresh. So obviously this template is empty and you will be able to add some articles and menu items here. Placement of the login form you might want to move, etc. But all in all, it's very simple, and in less than 5 minutes you can set up your own template. You do not need to be a developer or need to have any sort of CSS knowledge to be able to do this. Very simple and very easy to do. So that is the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. My name is Jan Nel, and thank you very much.